Hi there! Do you want to see a really tiny Bikol blade? A really small Bikol knife? Finish till the end. Come join me as we do this blade feature while we are outdoors. There, so join me. Let's check it out. There. Wow. We are looking at a blade in its particular habitat, which is outdoors and very near some wood it can cut. However, this is really very tiny. Check this out. This is your usual Bikol ginunting. There. Now, this blade is called Pinunyusan because of the bronze covering or pitting at the hilt or at the pommel. So here's the tang rivet or barat. So the hilt is made of water buffalo horn or carabao horn, and tikala or the ferrule is made of bronze. Bakurong or Scabbard ring or Scabbard lock is made of bronze. The Scabbard or sheath is made of a prime wood we call Barayong wood. Let's check it out. Let's mount our camera properly. So here, this is around how long? Maybe 7 inches. Blade is 7 inches, but in its entirety we'll add around 5 inches. Yeah, so 5 inches. So 7 plus 5. So that's 12 inches. 12 inches. And we have what? We have the burda here. Burda. This was made in 2021 already. Fairly new. This is a gift to me by a friend blacksmith. My friend named June Ramos. There, really nice blade. I've sharpened this already, so let's try with one paper. So it works, pretty sharp. I like to keep my personal blades sharp, so there. Yeah, it's pretty sharp as it is. It's a nice bushcraft item actually. Well, it can cut, of course. We can use it for heavy duty cutting. It works. So it's sharp enough. Let's keep it inside its sheath for the moment. Yeah. Yeah, there. In its natural habitat, a thing of beauty. Remember, it's really small compared to this one, a Bikol ginunting. So there. Do you like to do blade reviews outdoors as well? Kindly post in the comments below. And come join me again next time. Also visit my other videos on Bikol blades and my other hiking videos. Okay, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.